I don't have many friends, like I just have one.
So why is that? Like, what happened?
Because of these shoots, like I like doing these two. So whenever I go there, I don't have time to play with my friends. So I have less friends.
Also, it's good to get, different projects. Because, obviously it gives a lot of learning and a lot of exposure. So different team, different theme makes a lot of difference. So there's a script, I mean, normally. But then, sometimes there's no script also, depends. Don't want? Keep it.
Where?
Thank you. बाल तो अभी तो ठीक लग रहे हैं ना, आप देखो कैमरा में ठीक लग रहा है, परफेक्ट है ना, एक साइड से आगे हो गए ना, एक साइड से पीछे, वैसे वाला। मेकअप का तो बच्चों को वैसे ही कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट होता ही नहीं है। डिस्कवरी किड्स, स्वच्छ भारत, क्रैक्स एंड आपका गली गली सिम सिम का टाइटल सॉन्ग वाज समथिंग यू रियली लाइक्ड, राइट? एंजॉयड व्हाइल डूइंग, प्लस बिकॉज यू वर होल्डिंग अ बुक, राइट? सो यू लव्ड दैट मोमेंट, सो से ऑल दैट ना।
बेड़े, तुझे क्या लगा तू बच जाएगा? वीरू नाम है मेरा, यॉर्कर बॉल पे भी ना 6 मारती हूँ मैं। चल चुपचाप यही मम्मी के झुमके और वो चांदी की प्लेटें निकाल, चल चल।
Yeah, you'll have to rush a bit. So you can wear shorts with some plain t-shirt और ऊपर band लगा लो. All this fancy look will go right now.
This is the age when children are still negotiating emotions. This is where children are still very emotionally vulnerable. They still don't recognize their emotions. Now, when they are in that stage of vulnerability, they are being asked to actually demonstrate or display emotions which may be alien to them, or they may not understand. So it's likely to create a lot of confusion in their minds,
One day we went for an audition. So there were like a lot of models. So one of the models said, "Oh, I've seen her in Swachh Bharat ad." I said, "Oh yeah, she did that." She said, "Yeah, it was she was looking so sweet, though she was like for a small time, but then so yeah, I mean, so it's good when you're appreciated and when you're recognized, it's really nice."
I like to do it, and after growing up, I wish to do it. So I have to handle all this. So I have a practice for that.
Now this is Ada, 5 years old. Shoot, and look at this. This is Ada again, 5-year-old. I started dreaming about it in my college days. I started following this for some time, and I could not get through because my family was not supporting it at that point in time. Then I thought of it that in my mind, somewhere in my mind, I thought of it that I have to live this dream, and even if I have to live this in my kid, I will live this.
यहाँ चुपचाप बैठो। चुप करो। दिख नहीं रहा है, मम्मी को हर्ट हुआ है ना?
I'm not too sure how voluntary this is, because most of the time this emanates from, of course, the producers, but more from the parents, because the parents have to be responsive in order to get the child to actually perform. So the parents' own aspirations, the parents' own agency is dominating the child's agency here. So I'm quite 100% sure that it is not the child who is wanting to do this.
क्या हुआ बेटा? अरे दही बूंदी, जरा पानी लेके आओ। अरे क्या हो गया बेटा?
The child may temporarily want to do it in order to be able to get that kind of a fame and a new experience. But then the drill or the perseverance that is required with these kind of shootings and the whole process is certainly not child's play.
उसने दिल से apologize नहीं किया. She just did it because उसकी अभी मास्क पहन के आई थी बस. और उसका जो real face है वो नहीं दिखाई डेट पे. I don't really accept her apology.
बच्चे होते
कि ये जैसे इसका कॉम्प्लेक्शन वगैरह बहुत डार्क नहीं है, बट बोलते हैं इतना अट्रैक्टिव है कि नहीं तो इस लाइन में लोगों को लगता है कि बहुत सुंदर बच्चे जा सकते हैं, बट मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बहुत गोरा या सुंदर बच्चा हो, बस अट्रैक्टिव होना चाहिए, एक्टिव होना चाहिए.
There is also a competitive element here because they would be doing auditioning for different roles or whatever. So there is also this competitiveness and this kind of an assessment of children which can be very detrimental for a small child. Especially when, again, I'm looking at the developmental stage of the child, when the child's self-esteem is developing, and at that stage if the child is rejected. So you can imagine what the parents would feel, because parents identify with children, their aspirations are completely invested in children. So they take it out on the child also. I think almost, if I say it more in an extreme form, it costs them their childhood.